Hey guys. So I'm in a town called White City, which is along the intercoastal right before you come into the Apalachicola River. Excuse me. I think this is Highway 71 that goes over to Port St. Joe. Nice pretty sunset tonight. Nice little couple of trawlers there. I was talking to this guy with the white one there. He's from Drummond Island, Michigan, which if you don't know about that place, it's a pretty interesting little place worth looking up. Little island off the east part of the Upper Peninsula there. And yeah, it's free. They've laxed a lot of the rules in this part of the coast because of the hurricane. A lot of people have been, rendered homeless, or at least without a place to park their boat, with all the marinas damaged. So it's kind of like stay as long as you need to, stay as long as you want. So another reason maybe for someone on a budget that wants to do a trip like this could do it for not much money. I walked about a half a mile up the road here to a gas station and filled up the tanks, and I think I'm going to hang out here for a day or two and go look around. And I like these little out of the way places that don't have much going on, because you kind of get the feeling like everyone's welcome in a way, as in, there's not a lot of pressure, not a lot of tourism, and that's the feeling I get anyways. I like it. Okay guys, maybe I'll show you around, and maybe I'll get an interview with some interesting folks. Catch you later. So this fella got this boat built. It's a welded aluminum boat built in Louisiana. He's got about 10,000 bucks into it, and it's about 23 feet long. And he's got this back. What do you call that?
Fantail.
A fantail, which is a good idea. I mean, he protects the outboard. That's a good idea. You see that on the Sea Arc workboats a lot. Yeah, nice boat.
And if you have to change your prop,
you can just do it in the water. Stand there. Yeah. And it draws about 8 inches, you said. He's got a jack plate on it. Look at that. That is cool. Yep. Yeah, nice boat. So this is a good alternative to just putting big cleats on your boat. These are penned in.
Yeah, you just drop them down and pin them.
Good to meet you, Joe. Well, they say this is a rare blood moon, and it does have a red tint to it, I must say. This boat got picked up and impaled by a post. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm at the Apalachicola Marina. Well, here's the entrance to the Carabel River, which is the last port of call for the Shanty Boat Beagle adventure. Kind of exciting and kind of sad at the same time.
Pop, you think I should call her? Huh? What? The woman.
Well, let me tell you something, Johnny. That the first 90 years or so, they go by pretty fast.
Yeah?
What?
The first 90 years, I go by pretty fast.
Yeah, but how would you know? You're just a damn kid.
Well, I didn't say it. You did.
Well, they do. They go fast.
All right.
Then one day you wake up and you realize that you're not 81 anymore. And then you begin to count the minutes rather than the days. And you realize that pretty soon you'll be gone. And that all you have, see, is the experiences. That's all there is, Johnny. Everything.